language models and how they compare. And we thought that would be a really interesting conversation for everyone.
Yeah, I think the OCR is a very, very old technology, as you know, but it was very hard coded to extract text. First, it was hand typed, and then neural network came around, and then it's handwritten started getting in the world. But it was still very a specialized model. But now with the LLMs and being multimodal, the OCR is kind of entering the domain of large language model, wherein you can read a text with much less constraint. So if you think about OCR, you want a scan to be done on a flatbed scanner or something very vertical to your parallel to the camera plane, the image sensor plane, so that it is very little distortion or it kind of messes up, unless you are going into the specialized OCR tools, which can get very, very expensive very quickly.
Well, and it wasn't only that, it was that usually when we trained those models before, you were only looking at a very specific piece of the image and it had to be in the same location every time. You
Correct.
didn't have flexibility with where that is. And that created some of the challenges when you're trying to make those consistent. Because there's a lot of things in the world where you're trying to do image recognition and the world is not consistent. Your algorithm is consistent, but the world isn't. So how do you make that, how do you balance that out?